Hi everyone, here we've got Huawei P40 Lite 5G, and let me show you how to set the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, we have to get into the settings, and here let's tap on display and brightness. And as you can see here, we've got the sleep option, so let's tap on it. Now we can choose from some options. We can set either 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5 or 10 minutes. Now we've got 5 minutes applied, but in order to change it, simply tap on the time you want to use. For example, 10 minutes. Let's tap on it. And as you can see, it immediately changes, so it means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So that's all. This is how to set the timeout in your Huawei P40 Lite 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.